when you're stuck with a hard-to-shift mucus cough. Try great-tasting Lemsip Cough Max Hot Drink. It works deep down to help clear congested mucus. And unlike syrups that only treat coughs, it soothes aches and pains. Help conquer your mucus cough with Lemsip.